Hi, I'm Lampe, DrBBQ. I've got a brand new partnership to announce today, and I'm really excited about it. Dizzy Pig Barbecue. These guys are old friends of mine. I've been a big fan and a friend of the company for years, and I'm a big fan of their products. I've been using their products for a long time. We just never really had the chance to work together until now, and now we do, and we couldn't be more excited about it. Chris Capell is the founder and owner and a good friend of mine. Chris and I put our heads together on this deal, and we got it done right away because I'm thrilled to work with them, and they're pretty excited about hanging out with me too. I really love this company because it's a family company, homegrown. Chris has built it from the ground up, and he's doing it his way. 27 unique products. I don't even know if I got them all up here. There's 27 different ones, and they're all unique. They're all great. Well done at their facility in Manassas, Virginia. They grind this stuff. They pack it. They label it, they blend it, they do everything in-house. Nobody else is doing that. This is really cool. No copycats. These are the ones that Chris dreams up somehow in his mind. He comes up with these ideas, does his homework, and he's gotten really good at it over the years. So these are all coming straight from Chris, 27 unique blends. I couldn't be happier to be working with these guys. There's a lot of good stuff to come. If you haven't heard of them before, you should check them out. DizzyPigBBQ.com. Take a look at the website. Follow them on all the social media channels. You're going to be hearing a lot from me about it too, so get ready. It's good stuff.